Hello, I'm going to play the Sleuth from Mark Nightingale's book Easy Jazzy Tudes. Now this piece is in the swing style, which means our quavers need to be uneven. The ones that fall on the beat are stretched and the time is made up by the ones that are off the beat. These are usually played in a legato way, like this. 1, 2, 3. Any note that's a quaver followed by a rest, we'd like to pop those notes out a little bit, maybe shorten them to help keep us in the correct style. And similarly, notes that are syncopated, we need to pop those out too. Now a syncopated note is a strong note that falls on a weak beat or in between the beats, such as here at bar 7 and again at bar 8. Now I'm going to turn on my metronome. That's the speed we're going, and I'm going to play my version, which you can join in with if you wish. 1, 2, 3.